The MAXWALK Rollator Walker with seat features large 10-inch front and 8-inch back rubber wheels that provide smooth, non-slip rolling on various terrains, including bumpy roads and grass. Designed with built-in brake cables, this rollator walker minimizes the risk of tangling and tripping, while the dual braking system offers excellent speed control and locking capabilities. Constructed with a sturdy triangular aluminum structure, the MAXWALK Walker supports up to 300 pounds despite weighing only 19.5 pounds. For added convenience and comfort, it includes a padded seat, backrest, removable cup holder, cane holder, and storage pouch for personal items. The handle height is adjustable within 5 levels, ranging from 33 inches to 37 inches, making it suitable for users between 5 and 6 feet tall. This foldable walker is easy to transport and store, with a design that allows you to fold it down in seconds by pulling up the handle on the seat.